Good. Okay. Present simple. Our first lesson with lots of information here. Important information. If I talk about I or you, or if I talk about we or they, we use verbs like I read a book, you go swimming, we run in the park, they write an email. We just use these words, I, you, we, or they, with a verb. I read a book. But if we make it negative, we have to add this word, don't or do not. So, I read a book, I don't read a book. It's not that funny. You read a book, you do not read a book. We read a book, we don't read a book. They read a book, they don't read a book. They do not read a book. Positive and negative sentences. Then we can ask yes/no questions. Do you watch TV? We can say yes I do, or no I do not, or no I don't. Do they write texts? Yes they do, or no they do not. But if we use he, she, or it to talk about a man, a boy, a woman, a girl, or a thing, a pen, it, or a mug, it, one thing, we have to change the verb. So, I read a book, he reads a book. I live in England, he lives in England. I watch TV, he watches TV. We need to have this S at the end. But when we make it negative, we use he, she, it with doesn't. And the main verb stays the same. The main verb is just like I, you, we, they. It only changes for positive sentences. For positive. This is when it changes. We add the S or ES or IES. But for negative, the verb stays the same, and it is the little verb, the auxiliary verb do, that changes. This changes in the negative and in the question. This changes. But the main verb always stays the same as I, you, we, and they. And this is present simple with all verbs, not the verb to be, all other verbs. And you can find this information is all in this book, Essential Grammar in Use. So for homework, can you do Unit 5 and 6 and 7? 5, 6 and 7, this is the work we're doing. Units 5, 6 and 7. These are the most important units to do now. It's time that we really look at present simple. Thank you.